Ladakh is set deep in the Indian Himalayas on the western edge of the Tibetan Plateau. Ladakh, or Little Tibet, is one of the highest and driest inhabited places on Earth.
We are starting our hike to Thar village, which is kind of an isolated village. There is no road that takes you there with car. You can only walk there. It's around 4 kilometers starting from that bridge. So let's go. Normally it's not that steep. I think we'll take between 2 to 3 hours depending on our speed and the brakes and the pictures and so on.
In this video, you'll discover our local immersion in Thar village. The accessibility part of the journey is intriguing. You'll hike through the towering mountains to get close to the village. Along the way, you will appreciate the ingenious method of irrigation.
I really love this hike because you're all the time by the water. It's kind of green, you are in the valley. Pretty beautiful.
We stopped on the way. I was still full of energy. We played stupid games with my friend. We don't really take life too seriously around here. Gradually, you'll walk your way uphill. At the entrance of the village, there are many offerings displayed. It is believed that these rocks hold gods' faces that were shaped naturally, without any human intervention.
Are right now in Thar village. Made it!
The village is quite small, only 8 houses and 15 individuals are living here year-round. Tonight, we are sleeping in this house. We were greeted by this cutie. This 3-month-old pup was rescued in the mountains by our host. It is an abandoned wild pup. So cute! Ladakhis are heartwarming people. As is the custom in Ladakh, we were welcomed with a tea. They usually offer mint tea, or milk tea, or butter tea, and some biscuits. Our rooms are located upstairs. We slept on the mattress on the floor and are provided with thick blankets.
Today we're doing a homestay, Ladakhi homestay. It's really nice. We're discovering a lot of things. I like it. But true, not every day maybe. But I like the experience a lot.
Let me show you the toilets. They are also located on the 2nd floor, which is accessible with a ladder.
This is the local toilet. How do you like it? The experience?
It's a great experience, not for every day.
While the dinner was cooking, we visited the village. There used to be a school, but it's closed now. They still have a small temple though. Most of the villagers are agro-pastoralists and make a living out of it. Villagers own at least 1 cow for milk and to fabricate their dairy products. They cultivate barley cereals in their field. Once it is yellowish, it is harvested by hand and transformed into flour in the village mill. Near their house, villagers have a vegetable garden. They usually grow turnip, cabbages, peas, salads, potatoes, and so on. Therefore, villagers are self-sufficient.
Everywhere we go, there are apricots trees that are full of apricots, and they are so sweet and delicious. It's my favorite treat for now. This is Thar Eiffel Tower. Ta-da!
The village recently got a cell phone tower and is now connected to electricity. Otherwise, before that, locals used to have individual solar panel and no phone. Nevertheless, to shower or do laundry, you still have to go to the river. This is how you're still able to experience the traditional lifestyle. Thar has minimized the influence of modernity and maintained cultural and traditional ethnicity. We ate a delicious dinner in company of our host. I tried to eat with hands, which resulted to be more or less a success. I have to admit that I like the touch with the food. It is like if you were connected to it somehow.
Slowly? It's complicated slowly.
We also practiced to turn the prayer wheels. It is quite complicated to find a 45 degrees angle, the right speed and movement to make with your wrist. We let the pros show us how it should be done. After a wonderful evening in company of our host, we played a French card game. Then it was time to go to bed. The next day, we left the village to continue our journey across Ladakh. I was a bit sad to leave though. I will miss Star.
During the trip it's really nice because we're taking time for ourselves, we are walking a bit, in other words, we are disconnecting totally, we are reconnecting with nature, so that's really appreciated. And also we were able to immerse ourselves in the Ladakhi lifestyle, really a big plus. Tar is indeed an isolated village here in Ladakh. Nevertheless, I'm worried that this village will soon disappear because Ladakh is developing, it's changing, it's transforming. So this is why, if you still want to enjoy this local immersion, you should go there as soon as possible before it's kind of too late. But anyway, if you know any other villages that are also that isolated, it will be so nice of you to share it with us with the community in the comment section below. Like that, it could be, why not, or potentially one of my future travels. Anyway, explore your surroundings. Bisous bisous!